Hi, it's Nick from Hobby Electronics, and in this video I'll be showing you how to program the GPIO ports on your Raspberry Pi with Python. Okay, so first begin by logging into your Raspberry Pi. And then download the following library. Once downloaded, extract the archive to a new folder with this command. And then browse to the new directory that we just created with those extracted files. And then run this command to run the auto setup process. And then run the following command to remove the directory and its contents. And then run this command to delete the archive file. Once we've installed the RPi GPIO Python library, we can then go into a directory in which we want to create our first file that we will be programming in Python. I'm naming my file Blink with the Python extension. Okay, so let's begin by importing the rpi.gpio library that we just installed. And then we're stating what layout of pins we're wanting to use. By adding gpio.board, we're using the physical pins on the board as they would be numbered. And then we're declaring that GPIO 11 is an output. To debug the code later, if necessary, I'm printing each step as we go with a description of what should actually occur. And then I'm stating that I want GPIO pin 11 set to true. And then I'm going to add a delay using time.sleep. But to use that, we're going to have to import the time library. And as I said before, to debug the process, I'm going to print in the console what I'm actually trying to achieve with the code. After that delay, I'm setting GPIO pin 11 as false. Okay, so let's save that and exit out, and let's run the script to test it out. By using sudo python, the name of your script, .py. And here we have it printing to the console those steps, so when it states that the pin's going high, it's going to set that GPIO pin 11 as high as well. Then, after that, bringing it back down to low. var equals 1 while var equals 1. This is basically going to run the script whilst var, the variable, equals 1, which will be always. Instead of var equals 1, you could have a button, so whilst the button is pressed, this loop runs. And here you have it, it's looping the process. And then hit Ctrl C to close that.